What up, gang? This your boy, Mr. V. Yeah, man, I'm in the crib, just chilling, watching a little bit of football. Happy Sunday to y'all. I got a pack in from Amazon. 2 fragrances. Ready to unbox these joints, you know what I mean? Something real simple, something real cool. I got some test strips right here. Shout out Sephora. You know what I mean, for kicking me out. I took something with me. I did. But yeah, like I said, we got 2 packs from Amazon. So let's see what these joints have for. Oh, keeping this way. First one. Cutting these joints so. That's love. Okay. These joints here for, man. Man, no paper in there. Messed up. Yeah, man, we got. Okay. That's love. Y'all see the work right now, man. 2 bangers, something light. We got that Hawaii's Ice. And we got Root Broker Pride. Root Broker Pride, they say it's supposed to smell like Bad Boy Cobalt. Not the elixir, but the cobalt. Fresh, sweet. I mean, we're gonna see though. Let's get these things out the plastic. I mean, this regular box. Regular box work right here. You know what I mean? Regular box on that one. Actually, let me open up which one I want to do first? I want to do the Hawaii's first. I'm gonna let it be small. Man. Sheesh. Box going right to the trash, you know what I mean? It's a regular box though. Yeah, nothing crazy. Whew, I smell it already. That's crazy. I've been waiting to get my hands on this thing, boy. Versace, Hawaii's Ice. Yes, sir. That thing is sexy. I got the black coming, guys. That's why I haven't done like a rate. I wanted to rate my whole collection, but I got the black one coming from Perfume Box, but that thing just ain't come yet, man. It's taking forever. That's what happens when you do free shipping on Perfume Box. They're gonna take 7 to 10 business days for sure. But yeah, it's just a regular box. Probably throw this thing right in the trash. Smell something in there. That joint smells good. But I kind of think I wanna do this one first. You know what I mean? Just a regular bottle. Nothing crazy on the bottle here. Regular design. Got a jewel on the front, you know what I mean? It's cool. Nice little bottle design. I don't smell nothing off the atomizer here. So you know what? This is I know Versace Ice is beast mode. I am gonna spray it for y'all, get y'all atomizer check. Let y'all see that it's not primed. You know, hopefully no one sprayed it ever. Yeah, man, I can't wait till that black come in. My regular Hawaii's, that thing is almost gone. I will show y'all, but it's upstairs in the collection. So let's try this one first. Get it on a little test strip or whatnot. Even though I don't really rock with the test strips. I don't really care. I'm really just doing this. I'm trolling right now with these test strips, actually. So let's see how this thing spray. Atomizer's trash. Oh, that's good. Sweet, fresh. Bad Boy Cobalt. I would say this is like 90% Bad Boy Cobalt. Cause I smelled Bad Boy Cold, I'm not sure if you guys seen that vlog when I went to Sephora. But yeah, this is all right. I'm still gonna buy Bad Boy Cold. All right, this is good. This one was good. All right. First impressions, I say about an 8 out of 10. First impressions. It's really sweet, really good. I'm spray it on my skin. You know what I mean? Atomizer is trash. I do not like this atomizer at all. I'm gonna let that sit. Put the top back on that thing. The top test. I mean, you can hold it by the top, but I wouldn't. Pull it off. I wouldn't say ever pick your bottles up by the tops. Man, I picked up that Art of Nature, Art of Arabia 1. I think that was Art of Arabia 1. Yeah, Art of Arabia 1. Man, I picked that thing up by the top. And that joint hit my foot. I almost cried, nigga. But all right, next up, we're going to do the Versace Hawaii's Ice. Beast mode, I know it is. I know this thing beast mode. We're going to try it out. See what it's hitting for. Atomizers already to the front. We're going to see this thing banging for. I don't smell it off the atomizer, so we're going to see what it's popping for. You did. Got my tester strip. Get my troll on. Oh! Damn! Big dumb puffs. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. That's good. Okay. It's not crazy, but it's good. Okay. I was expecting more with Versace Hawaii's Ice. Man, people be hyping stuff up, bro, and man. I mean, ice is good. What the hell? I gotta get this on skin, man. It ain't. I'm not blown away. Like, oh, I thought I was blown away. Atomizer's crazy though. God damn. Atomizer crazy. That's one thing Versace do right. The atomizers are crazy. But I ain't gonna cap, gang. It's real authentic right here. I ain't hitting no edit button on this video. Once I start recording, I'm gonna just straight upload that joint to YouTube. Versace Ice is overrated, bro. I mean, it's good, but I got other shit that's no better than this. My first impressions on Versace Ice, Versace Hawaii's Ice, give it like a 7. It's not bad, but bro, the way they glaze fragrance is just, oh my god. The fragrance community gotta do better, man. And it's gonna take for the authentic ones, the small creators, to like, bro, they gotta keep it. Versace Ice, not all that, bro. I mean, it's okay. I'm glad I got that joint on sale. I didn't pay 60 for this because I'd have been pissed. Like, it's good. Don't get me wrong. I'm aware it's good. Definitely fresh, a little sweet, nothing crazy. Oh, this dry down. Oh yeah, that's bad boy Cobalt. Cause that dry down is like kind of a spice. I sprayed that on the hand, guys, on this hand. The dry down on this, okay. This is bad boy Cobalt. It's not as strong. You may have to overspray this. I'm gonna see how it performs. You know what I mean? Stay tuned, guys, and see. But first impressions on Root Broker Pride, which is supposed to be a dupe of Bad Boy Cobalt. Like I said, I get it an 8 out of 10. It smells really good. The spiciness is just like coming, with the undertone on the back end. In the beginning, you get a lot of sweetness, fresh, cleanness. Now that's starting to die down, and you're getting that spice, still slight sweet, just like Bad Boy Cobalt. But yeah, that thing is good. Back to Versace Hawaii's Ice. I mean, it's okay. It's not bad. Like, it's not bad. I'm not saying it's bad, guys. The point I'm making is it's not worth all the hype. Like, people say, oh, out of all three, which one would I prefer? Ice is the best, then the OG, and then the man. Everything is opinion based, man. I ain't gonna hold you, bro. I would take the regular Hawaii over this. It's not bad. I gotta live with it. Like, this is my first impressions. I'm just not capping on this, you know what I mean? It's good though. I was expecting more. Like I said, I'm gonna have it on skin tonight. I'm gonna actually wear this tonight. Let me spray it on me a little bit more. Oh my gosh. Woo. I'm gonna see how I do, you know what I mean? 7 out of 10 first impressions. Ice not all that. I can't wait to get the black and unbox that. That's why I'm glad I do these unboxing videos, and I wasn't about to do it for real, but I'm glad I did. Versace Wise Ice, check it out for yourself. They say it's the best out of all three. I can't wait till that fire come out and I get that fire. But you know what I mean? That's what we doing with it. That's how we looking. Versace Hawaii's Ice kind of overrated. Man, that's crazy. This right here, this is really, really good. I would suggest this. This was 20 bucks. I feel like you're gonna have to overspray, but hey, I don't care. I'm part of 30 spray gang. We're doing 30 sprays all year, all 2025. The Smell Good gang is doing 30 sprays. Shout out to Goldie Smell Good. Okay. Yeah, it's about 90%. 90%. Nothing crazy. Atomizer's trash. Um, I would say it's a W. It's not an L because these not trash, like I said, but this is overhyped. It's okay. It's not great. It's not bad, but it's just okay. Like, I got 150 bottles, and this is nowhere near the top. I'm just keeping it a buck. I would reach for the OG over this, and I got to get me another bottle of the OG. But yeah, man, that's it. I ain't gonna keep rambling on. That was 2. Check them out for yourself if y'all feeling it. You know what I mean? This can be some Valentine's Day gift ideas for y'all. That's coming up next month. Mm. Ice is okay. I'm gonna get used to the dry down on this Root Broker Pride. Not an L though. Not an L. Just go ahead and get some used to it. Whew. But yeah, man, stay tuned. Until next time, look good, smell good, squad. Hey, man, y'all stick around, man. Tap in. We're going up all 2025, guys.